When I started taking my dual credit courses, I thought it would be something that would be really helpful later on, mainly for college, and mainly help me get to my degree a lot faster. But my main plan was to transfer to Purdue. I came to Vincennes, which gave me a better program with the 2+2 program, with 2 years at Vincennes and then 2 years at Purdue. The first time I heard about the 2+2 program was when I first did the tour here at Vincennes, where I actually got to talk to the advisor here, Christy, and she told me about how Vincennes had a program with Purdue with 2 years at Vincennes and then 2 years at Purdue. And I thought it was very interesting, and I thought it was something that I would really like to do. I love working with electronics and creating new devices based off of my electronic skills, and learning more about how to be a better engineer and how to do both the work of an engineer and also of a technician. Obviously, this degree will open more doors for me later on in life, whether it's through internships or through a job anywhere across the United States. In terms of right now, I plan to stay in Indiana, probably move back up north, closer to family, and see if I can get a job at a steel manufacturing plant or a local technology company. With this program, it gives you more opportunities and more of a chance to actually step out and be a leader instead of a follower. If you take a bachelor's degree with the 2+2 program, you're more often to be seen as a leader instead of a follower. Most of my classes will be online. I have a couple classes that are in person, but the classes are the nicest classes you can probably take, especially with the teachers here. They can be really helpful in terms of guiding you to the right path in terms of your work, and especially when it comes to the engineering side of things. They help explain that to you and break it down easily. This year, I'm doing the Tech 120 class, which is engineering design. And for this part of the semester, it is a build your own project. So me and my lab partner are working on a project right now based on sorting washers. Right now we're in the prototyping stage, and I think in the next couple of weeks we're going to finish the final project. The Polytechnic program is a really huge deal in the terms of the future. These types of jobs are going to be more and more important as people start to leave, and the more hands-on stuff is going to be more important with decreases in employees. Also on the thinking side of the engineering technology side, where you put your focus on making designs for people. Not having so much debt in terms of doing like 4 years at Purdue actually helps out a lot with just the loans and getting through, and stepping out, getting those job opportunities can help get rid of that loan as soon as possible. I feel like this program is really helping out with that, especially open doors in bigger job opportunities like industrial areas, or there's some tech areas around in the United States. The program's really helpful, and it really does mean a lot.